Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
This question was asked in 2013. It's a 10-mark question, 150 words. It is about the food security bill. It is not in present day. It is we are having that. Okay, National Food Security Act 2013. That is the question. This question is related to that act only. So we are going to discuss it. Food security bill is expected to eliminate hunger and malnutrition in India. Full stop. Critically discuss various apprehensions in its effective implementations along with the concerns it has generated in the WTO. So it is one of the simplest question. So first you have to speak about the intro part. You have to address about what is food security. So the intro can be like, this food security bill will act, will be give the right to food, like a right to life. It is going to give the right to food. That can be the intro, or else it will eliminate the hunger. It is the SDG goal 2. That is also can be the intro, or else you can speak about SDG goals 3. It is the human well-being, health and human well-being. So that is the SDG goals 3. That is also you can give in your intro. So these are the various types of intro you can give for this question. Or else you can speak about the Article 21, dignified life. For a person who have a dignified life, he should have the quality food. So that person should have the food for his survival. So that is also you can give in your intro part. So these are the 4 kinds of intro you can give. Next, you have to speak about expected critically discuss the various. First of all, you have to speak about what is the benefits of this food security bill is going to give. That is, this food security bill will give the food for the people of 50% of the urban area and also going to provide 75% of the rural area population with food through the PDS system. So FCI going to procure it based on the MSP price, and also they are going to distribute it to the states based on the central issue price. Central issue price is nothing but the prices of 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees. In that price, the central government is going to provide the food to the state government. The state government is going to sell that wheat, rice, grains to the people at the same central issue price, CIP, to the people. But the state government have to bear the losses of related to the transportation of these goods and also to management of this PDS system. So they have to employ the persons. For them, they have to provide a salary. All these things will be bared by this state government. So the central government, what they will do is they will procure the food grains from the farmers at the MSP price, and they will sell it to the state governments. So this is the system they are going to follow. So this is all about this food security bill. So you have to speak about all this thing for a para, or else around half a page of your answer. Next part is the more important one. It is speaking about the critically discuss the various apprehensions in its effective implementation along with the consensus related to WTO. So when it comes to WTO, there is called as box subsidies, green box, blue box, amber box. So the government is going to procure this food grains from the farmer at the MSP, and also they are going to supply to the people at the subsidized price. Price of 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees. So here come the issue. This thing is going to comes under the amber box subsidy. So which is against the WTO's norm. So if it is comes under the amber box subsidy means according to the WTO it shouldn't be greater than 10%. But in India we are providing a subsidy which is up to 50%. So here comes the tussle. So this is the issue when it comes to the food subsidy given by India, and also it is going to affect the international norms which was fixed by the WTO. So all the developed countries are fighting against India's this food subsidy. Why they are fighting is, the reason is, if you are going to provide a food grains to the people at the subsidized price, at very cheap price, means how they will export their grains to India, how they will make a profit from it. So it is an unfair trade practices. It will affect the competitiveness of the global trade. So these are the negatives of this amber box subsidy. So all the developed countries are criticize the India's move of this providing the subsidized food grains to the people through the PDS shops. So when it comes to the Food Security Act, this is the major concern. So but what the government did is, in 2017 they made the agreement on agriculture at the WTO. According to that, the government have to reduce their subsidy to 10% with a certain time period. So India is on that phase to do that. But at present, if you are going to address this question, means you have to speak about the amber box subsidy, and also which is 50%, WTO is saying 10%. So these are the things should be there in your answer. So these are the important things about this question. Okay, thank you.